Hello friends, welcome to a new video from Health and Techie. Today I am going to show you how to grow tomatoes from seeds. These are some tomato plants which I have grown in my garden from using the tomato seeds. So without wasting any time, let's learn about how to grow tomato plants from its seeds. First of all, you have to collect the tomato seeds from the tomato fruit. So you have to cut your tomato into two and squeeze the juice of your tomato into a clean white paper. You can see that seeds are also comes with the juice into the paper, and then you have to dry this under direct sunlight for separating the seeds from the juice of the tomato. You have to keep it under the sunlight for 2 to 3 hours for getting the tomato seeds apart from the tomato juice. Now I will show you the trays which I am using to germinate the tomato seeds. These are the trays which I am going to use to germinate our tomato seeds. It is having some drainage holes as well. You have to fill these type of trays with our special potting mix. The potting mix consists of normal garden soil mixed with dried cow dung powder. So you have to mix the soil directly with the cow dung powder, and now you have to fill this potting mix into our trays. You have to fill all the trays. In this potting mix, the tomato seeds can germinate very fast. It requires only 3 to 5 days for the germination. Once after you fill this, you have to add a little bit of cow dung powder all over the tray itself. I am adding little more cow dung powder on the top of our trays. Okay, now it is finished. Now we are going to plant our dried tomato seeds into our trays. I have kept this under sunlight for almost 3 hours, and now I am digging small holes in these trays using a small stick. You have to gently push your stick into this and make a small holes, and now I am going to place some seeds into these holes and cover the top with soil. You have to do it very carefully, and you can place 2 to 3 seeds in a hole. Once the planting of the seeds is completed, you have to cover the top with the remaining soil in the sideways of the hole that you have made with the stick itself. I will show you the growth of the seeds after 2 weeks. It's almost completed now. Somewhat it is not that much dried. If you are drying this for a day or so, you can easily separate the seeds and place into the germinating trays itself. Okay friends, now it's almost completed. I am covering the holes. Now you have to just sprinkle little bit of water all over your trays. Just a little bit of water is sufficient for that. Okay friends, this is the tray which I have planted now, but after 2 weeks you will get tomato plants germinated like this. This is the one that I have done before 2 weeks, and now I am going to transplant these tomato plants, and I will show you guys how to plant these tomato plants individually. For planting this tomato plant, you have to make your planting place for this. You have to dig small holes like this, and you have to fill it with dried cow dung powder. I am using cow dung powder only because this is a natural organic fertilizer. There is no side effect. This is the most common organic fertilizer used. Once you use this, you will get good results with your tomato plants. Now I am going to pick one tomato plant and transfer into this. You have to carefully take out your tomato plant and transfer it into the soil. Okay, now our planting is over. You have to water your tomato plant twice a day. I used to water them in the morning and also in the evening. Now I will show you the tomato plants after 1 month of planting. This is the tomato plants. So you can see there is a lot of tomatoes in there. There is nothing harmful for your health. We are using only the dried cow dung powder. You can see that it started to flowering. These plants are planted before 1 month. You can see tomatoes are begin to grow up. After next 20 days I will be able to harvest them and I will be able to use them. So friends, this is the easiest method of planting tomato plants from your seeds of the tomato. So everyone should try this at home, and also have to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Okay friends, that's it for today. If you like my video, please hit that like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.